So, good morning once again, dear students. Let us now discuss the answers to the transformations which I had asked you to complete. I had given you once again 40 sentences in 2 exercises. I'm sure by now you must have finished. So, taking up exercise number 3 on questions, transformations of these direct speech sentences which are in the form of questions, let us see what the correct answers should be. Sentence number 1, Nishant, do you speak French? So Nishant asked if I spoke French. Then number 2, Ronnie, have you got a computer? So Ronnie wanted to know whether I had a computer. Then number 3, father asked, did you come by train? So father wanted to know whether I had come by train. Then sentence number 4, Devi, have you been to London? Devi asked me if I had been to London. Devi asked me if I had been to London. Number 5, Susan, does Manish work in an office? Susan asked me if Manish worked in an office. Susan asked me if Manish worked in an office. You can also write it this way. Susan wanted to know from me whether Manish worked in an office. So this is an alternative answer. Then number 6, Elizabeth, will Jovi have lunch with Annie? So Elizabeth asked if Joby would have lunch with Annie. Then Frank, how much pocket money does Lisa get? So Frank is asking, so Frank wanted to know how much pocket money Lisa got. So Frank wanted to know how much pocket money Lisa got. Then Sophia, did you watch the latest movie? So Sophia asked me if I had watched the latest movie. Sophia asked me if I had watched the latest movie. Then Annie, must I do shopping? So Annie asked me if she should do shopping. Annie asked me if she should do shopping. Then Ronald, where does Pinky park her car? Ronald wanted to know where Pinky parked her car. Ronald wanted to know where Pinky parked her car. Then Joseph, may I ask you a question? So Joseph requested me if he might ask me a question. Or rather, Joseph asked me if he might ask me a question. Joseph asked me if he might ask me a question. Then number 12, have you set your alarm clock? He asked me. He asked me whether I had set my alarm clock. Then, how long have you been working in here? Sonam asked me. So Sonam asked me for how long I had been working in there. So this is one way. Another option, Sonam asked me how long I had been working there. How long I had been working there. Now there is an in also given there. So how long I had been working in there would be a better answer or a correct answer. Then number 14, shall I tell you the story of ghosts? Ruma asked the child. So Ruma asked the child whether she should tell the story of ghosts. Ruma asked the child whether she should tell the story of ghosts. So tell you, we don't know whether the child is a boy or a girl, so we can avoid it by simply saying tell a story, the story of ghosts. So Ruma asked the child whether she should tell the story of ghosts. Then the next one, what do you want? Rohit asked his brother. So Rohit asked his brother what he wanted. Rohit asked his brother what he wanted. Then number 16, Mum asked, how often do you phone your friend. So mom wondered how often I phoned my friend. So mum asked means she's wondering. So you can use mum wondered how often I phoned my friend. So next sentence 17, Alex, what do you think of the new movie? So Alex wanted to know what I thought of the new movie. Then the next one 18, Dave, did you have enough time to finish your assignment? So Dave asked me if I had enough time to finish my assignment. Then 19, Jane, why are Rishi and Rini still sleeping? So why are Rishi and Rini still sleeping? Jane wanted to know why Rishi and Rini were still sleeping. Then number 20, don't you like to read comics? Sunita asked Ramu. So Sunita asked Ramu if he didn't like to read comics. Sunita asked Ramu if he didn't like to read comics. So that brings us to the end of this exercise. Now the next one, time and place. Let's see time and place. This is exercise number 5. Number 1, Agastya. Our teacher will go to Leipzig tomorrow. Leipzig is a place name. So Agastya said that their teacher would go to Leipzig the next day. Tomorrow becomes the next day. Then Rini, I was writing a letter yesterday. Rini told me that she had been writing a letter the previous day or the day before. Then the next one, Rebecca, my father flew to Japan last year. So Rebecca told me that her father had flown to Japan the year before or the previous year. Last year can be the year before or the previous year. Then number 4, Sanchu, Tim went to the club an hour ago. So Sanchu said that Tim had gone to the club an hour before. Ago becomes before. So you have to change that. Then number 5, Patricia, my brother will celebrate his birthday next weekend. Patricia said that her brother would celebrate his birthday the following weekend. The next weekend becomes following weekend. So number 6, Anyesha, I am going to read a book this week. So Anyesha said to me that she was going to read a book that week. Then Rishi and Rini, we will do our best in the exams tomorrow. So Rishi and Rini told me that they would do their best in the exams the next day. Then number 8, Andrew, we didn't play football 2 days ago. So Andrew remarked that they hadn't played football, or rather they had not played football 2 days before. Ago becomes before. Remember, whenever you get ago in direct speech changes into before. Then the next one, Alice, I spent all my pocket money on Monday. So this answer is Alice said that she had spent all her pocket money on Monday. Alice said that she had spent all her pocket money on Monday. The number 10, David, John had already gone at 6. So John had gone. Okay, so there is quite a rhyming going on here. John had already gone at 6. So David said that John had already gone at 6. David said that. All you need to do is remove the inverted commas and the colon, and you have to use that. Then Mary, I will go downtown tomorrow. So Mary said that she would go downtown the next day or the following day. So tomorrow becomes the next day or the following day. Ramesh said, I am going to visit my parents next month. So Ramesh declared that he was going to visit his parents the following month. Mom, I warned you to study for the test a month ago. Mom reminded me that she had warned me to study for the test a month before. Mom reminded me that she had warned me to study for the test a month before. Sunil, we went out last night. So Sunil told me that they had gone out the night before. Sunil told me that they had gone out the night before. The number 15, the interviewer said to the young man, we will let you know our decision by tomorrow. So the interviewer said to the young man that they would let him know their decision by the following week. Okay? By the following week, no, I'm sorry. It will be the interviewer told the young man that they would let him know their decision by the next day or the following day. Then, not the following week, but the following day. Then number 16, at breakfast this morning, Ronita said, I'll be very busy today. So, at breakfast this morning, Ronita said that she would be very busy. That she would be very busy today. Today will remain as today because this morning is mentioned outside inverted commas. So it is pertaining to the day that is in progress. Then Julie said, my father died a year ago. So Julie said that her father had died a year before. Then number 18, last month the boss explained none of my co-workers has to work overtime now. So last month the boss explained that none of his co-workers had to work overtime then. Now becomes then. Then my trainer said, nobody has ever fallen off a horse here. My trainer said that nobody had ever fallen off a horse there. My trainer said that. So you have to introduce that and then you have to change here into there. And the last one, Sujata, it was cold yesterday. Sujata said that it was cold the previous day. So these are the answers. I have discussed all the 40 answers from the two exercises. Now please check your answers, compare with my answers and see where you have gone wrong. If you need to do the necessary corrections, please do so. That's it. Thank you very much.